The energy and momentum in electromagnetic field. I am going to discuss this in detail. As we know that the energy per unit volume in an electromagnetic field, this is equal to U, which is equal to 1 over 2 epsilon naught E square plus 1 over mu naught B square. This is the effect of the electric field and this is the effect of the magnetic field. And I have considered that this is equation number first. In case of monochromatic plane wave, B square, which is equal to 1 over C square E square, and putting the value of C square here, then this will be equal to 1 over mu naught epsilon naught, and it goes to uh, numerator uh, mu naught epsilon naught E square. Putting this value in equation number first, then we can get mu naught epsilon naught E square. Here, if we put the value of B square, then from this mu naught will cancel out, and we can get only this epsilon naught E square, which is equal to epsilon naught E square. And if we put the value of E is equal to E naught cosine of kz minus omega t plus delta. If this the electric field which is moving along the z direction and the electric field is in along the x direction, then we can say that this is the energy epsilon naught E naught square cosine square kz minus omega t plus delta. It means that the electric and magnetic field have the same contribution of energy. Let's see from this equation. This is the effect of the electric field and this is the effect of the magnetic field. It means that the electric field and magnetic field have the same contribution in this total energy. Now, the energy flux density, energy per unit time, per unit volume transported by the field, and we know this, the Poynting vector. And this Poynting vector, we have the expression this, S is equal to 1 over mu naught E cross B. Now we know the electric field, we also know the magnetic field. If we put the electric field and magnetic field values when a wave is propagating along the z direction, then the electric field have the value this because direction. So this is the value of B and this is the value of E. Then by some multiplication, 1 over mu naught E naught B naught cosine square theta, this is equal to x cross y. So x cross y, the unit vectors, then it must be equal to the unit vector along the z direction. So I have written this z. And then E naught, B naught, which is equal to in a monochromatic plane wave, E naught divided by C, and this is equal to this. And multiplication E naught divided by C this. And after, if I divide and multiply this expression by C, then C divided by C, which is equal to this. And here, this C E naught, this becomes C square, and C square, the value of C square is equal to 1 over mu naught epsilon naught. This epsilon naught will cancel with this, and then I can get C epsilon naught E square cosine square this, and this term we know that this is equal to the energy per unit volume U, then this Poynting vector must be equal to C, U, and in the z direction.